If you want easier access to controls like back, home, screenshots, and more on your Galaxy S26 Ultra, the Assistant menu can really help. Here's how to enable, customize, or disable it. Open Settings, scroll down and go to Accessibility. Then tap on Interaction and Dexterity and enter the Assistant menu. Now just toggle it on. You'll see a floating menu appear on your screen. Tap on the menu and you'll get quick options like App Switcher, Back, Home, Volume, Screenshot, and more. You can use it to navigate your phone, take screenshots, or access different functions without using physical buttons. If you want to customize it, go back to the Assistant menu settings. Tap on Select Assistant Menu Items. From here, you can add the options you want and remove anything you don't need. And if you ever want to turn it off, just come back to the same settings and toggle Assistant menu off. That's it. Be with Fix369 for more simple Galaxy tips.